Hi, in this video we will talk about Grover's search algorithm. So you are already familiar with the Grover's search algorithm in theory, but we will implement the algorithm using Qiskit in this video. So for detailed instructions, you can refer to Qiskit textbook. Here I will go over the algorithm and implement it for n equals 4 using 2 qubits. So in the Grover's search algorithm, we are using oracles to mark the states. For 2 qubits, the oracles are given as follows. So for the 0, 0 state, we only have this circuit in boxes, and following a very similar logic, we can construct other oracles for other states. So if you look at the full Grover search algorithm, the algorithm starts with the superposition state, then the oracle function is applied, then a set of Hadamarts applied, then we apply the reflection gate, and then we finally apply another set of Hadamard, then take the measurements. So normally we do this process iteratively, but for the n equals 4 case, we don't need multiple iterations. A single iteration will be enough. So let's see how we can implement this using Qiskit. As always, we begin with our imports from IBM Qiskit. Then we set up our circuit. In this case, we will use 2 qubits, then apply our Hadamard gates. Then comes the oracle function. We want to mark the 0, 0 state, so we apply this oracle function. Then we apply our set of Hadamard gates and the reflection gate, then another set of Hadamard. In the end, we take a measurement as we always do, and in this case, you see that we have multiple measurements, and we only get the measurements for the mark state. This will be the case if we use different oracles for our other states. If you want to learn more about the Grover search algorithm, you can try to implement these 2 exercises. You can also refer to Qiskit textbook and Nielsen's textbook for more details on Grover search algorithm.